Yoga is a wonderful practice that can benefit both your mind and body. If you're new to yoga and unsure where to start, here are 7 tips to help you get started on your yoga journey. 1. Find a beginner-friendly class. Look for yoga classes specifically designed for beginners. These classes are usually slower paced and focus on teaching the fundamental poses and breathing techniques. 2. Start with simple poses. Don't worry about mastering complicated poses right away. Begin with basic poses like mountain pose, downward dog, and child's pose. As you progress, you can gradually add more challenging poses to your practice. 3. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how your body feels during each pose. If something doesn't feel right or causes pain, modify the pose or skip it altogether. It's important to honor your body's limitations and avoid pushing yourself too hard. 4. Focus on your breath. Breathing is an essential part of yoga. Practice deep, slow breathing as you move through each pose. It helps to calm your mind, increase your body's flexibility, and enhance the overall benefits of your practice. 5. Be consistent. Consistency is key when starting any new practice. Aim to practice yoga at least a few times a week to build strength, flexibility, and mindfulness. Even short sessions can be beneficial, so don't feel discouraged if you can't commit to long practice sessions initially. 6. Invest in a good yoga mat. Having a comfortable and non-slip yoga mat can greatly enhance your practice. It provides stability and support, allowing you to focus on your poses without worrying about slipping or discomfort. 7. Enjoy the journey. Remember that yoga is a journey and progress takes time. Don't compare yourself to others or get discouraged if you can't do certain poses right away. Celebrate each small improvement and enjoy the process of exploring and deepening your yoga practice. Starting yoga for the first time can be both exciting and intimidating. By following these tips and approaching your practice with an open mind and a gentle attitude, you'll be well on your way to reaping the many benefits of yoga. Thanks for you are watching my channel. Please subscribe my channel. Raza Amaral, I am Anna.